Hello, I'm Joanne from Healthwatch Kirklees and Calderdale. We've been asked a few times recently about how to access medical records. So in this edition of Ask Healthwatch, we're going to give you a step-by-step guide of how to access your own records or those of somebody else. You'll have separate records for every NHS service you go to, including your GP surgery, hospital, dentist or opticians. To access the information, you need to apply to each NHS organisation and make a subject access request. If you have an NHS account, you can log on to that. If you need to create an account, ask your GP for online services. Some of our local hospitals also have online ways to access your records. At Calderdale and Huddersfield hospitals, they have electronic patient records. At Mid Yorkshire Hospital Trust, their system is known as Patient Knows Best. If you are not able to use online services, you can speak or write to the NHS organisation and ask for the person who deals with access requests. They will likely ask you to complete a form and provide proof of who you are, so you may need to provide photocopies of your birth certificate, your passport, your driving licence, or an official letter addressed to you.
Can I access someone else's medical records?
Yes, you can, but as health and care records are confidential, you can only access someone else's records if you're authorised to do so. You will have to identify that you can act on their behalf with consent, or have legal authority to make decisions on their behalf, such as power of attorney, or have another legal basis for access. You will need the patient or service user's written consent if you wish to access their records. If the person has passed away, you can still apply for their records. You will have to provide evidence of a relationship to that person and a right to apply for their records. If you have a question about health and social care you'd like us to answer, then just ask Healthwatch.